Can all types of vacuum-sealed bags be boiled?
Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing whether all types of vacuum-sealed bags can be boiled. Make sure to stay until the end to get all the important details. Let's get started.
What are vacuum-sealed bags?
Vacuum-sealed bags, also known as vacuum bags or vacuum pouches, are specially designed plastic bags that enable us to remove air and seal the contents inside. They are commonly used in food storage and sous vide cooking to prevent spoilage and extend the shelf life of various products.
Boilable vacuum-sealed bags, are they all safe?
The short answer is no, not all vacuum-sealed bags are safe to be boiled. There are specific vacuum bags designed for boiling or sous vide cooking, while others are not made to withstand high temperatures. How can you identify boilable vacuum-sealed bags? When purchasing vacuum bags, look for labels such as boilable, boil safe, or sous vide safe on the packaging. These bags are made from high-quality, food-safe materials that can tolerate high temperatures, typically up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. What happens if you use non-boilable bags? Using non-boilable vacuum bags can cause a number of issues. 1. Leaching of harmful chemicals. When exposed to high temperatures, non-boilable bags may release harmful chemicals into your food, posing health risks. 2. Melting and tearing. Non-boilable bags are not designed to withstand high temperatures and may melt, tear, or lose their seal, compromising the quality and safety of your food.
Tips for safely boiling vacuum-sealed bags.
To ensure a safe and successful boiling process, follow these tips. 1. Choose the right bags. Always use boilable or sous vide safe vacuum bags for cooking at high temperatures. 2. Don't overfill the bags. Allow enough space for expansion during the cooking process to prevent the bag from bursting. 3. Monitor the temperature. Keep the water temperature below the bag's maximum temperature tolerance, typically 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, to prevent the bag from melting or releasing harmful chemicals. In conclusion, it's essential to remember that not all vacuum-sealed bags are suitable for boiling. Always choose bags specifically designed for high-temperature cooking to ensure the safety and quality of your food. Happy cooking! Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.